I'm Mike Ciampo. Welcome to this segment of Training Minutes. In many previous segments, we've shown firefighter removals. Today, we're just going to show you a couple quick tips on using some tools and how to use the SCBA to remove a firefighter. Remember, there's numerous ways that we want to approach this before we drag a firefighter. The number one thing we want to do is we always want to make this converted into a harness so we don't drag the mask off the firefighter. One of the techniques I like is lifting the leg up, coming in. I'm able to check his air, his regulator on his face piece, and I can come right to his waist strap. And I can release it. With my leg up, I can just release the strap and come in and snap. I'm working right here. There's no twisting, rolling the firefighter around. Now, as I come down, many times we want to drag, we want to pull. We're all wearing SCBAs. We take our waistband and we just release it and we come down. We really don't want to go on the side with the face piece because we don't want to pull that off his face. You come in underneath his other shoulder and reconnect. Now we can come up into this position. We're going to use our legs and our back muscles, and we can drag this firefighter if we have to move him. Some guys put their hands here. Some you can just see you're using your SCBA to pull a firefighter. Another quick tip of removing a firefighter is using your flashlight. We're going to use the seatbelt of the flashlight to drag this firefighter. We're going to make a choker hitch. We're going to go underneath the shoulder strap with the flashlight and make a loop. We'll insert the flashlight, and then we'll just come down, and it'll be tight. This is going to give us some room to pull. We'll get away, we can pull the firefighter, and we can remove him. The next technique we're going to show you is how to use two hooks to lift the firefighter. Remember, we wouldn't want to use this technique if a firefighter has a serious spinal or back injury. This is a firefighter that goes down, and we have to remove him quickly. Using two hooks is going to speed up the evolution. Yes, we should be calling a Mayday for a firefighter down, getting a Stokes basket or a backboard, but there's situations where we can't, we don't have time. So we're going to use two hooks to lift the firefighter. The first hook is going to come in. We're going to take the butt end of the hook, and we're going to slide it underneath the shoulder strap. It really doesn't matter which way we go in, but it's better to come from the outside and go in, and we run it along his body. Next, we're going to come underneath his waistband. We're going to slide it down along the firefighter to about that level there. Yes, we have to be careful using the head of the hook by his face. It's a little bit dangerous, but we have to remove this firefighter. The next hook, in some situations, we may have to roll the firefighter a hair. It's going to come in. Even if we have to loosen up the shoulder strap a hair to get that bite, we'll go down and we'll also run it. You can come back, we can tighten up. Tighten up. Sometimes we don't have enough material to tie. That's okay. Now, if we were going to lift this firefighter up, we'd only be supporting his upper body. His legs would belly out. We'd be dragging them across the ground. So what we'd like to do is we're going to take the leg, we're going to throw it up over and throw it up over. Now he's in position to be lifted. It's real important that we lift together. We don't get a back injury. We want to try to use our leg muscles. You ready? 1, 2, 3, up. And now we can proceed with the removal. Remember, this is just another technique to know and put in your toolbox. We don't want to use this if the member has a severe spinal or back injury. This is for a quick removal. We have to get the firefighter out using normal hand tools. I'm Mike Ciampo. Thanks for watching this segment of Training Minutes.